What are some simple, but useful psychological facts? 1. People seem more attractive when they speak with full confidence and truth. 2. Singing reduces feelings of anxiety and depression. 3. If a person is continuously avoiding eye contact, there are fair chances that he or she is lying. 4. If you want someone to listen to you carefully, then you should start your sentence with, "I don't want to tell you this." 5. Chocolate discharges the same chemical into your body that is produced when you start falling in love. 6. The very last person you think about before you go to sleep is either the cause of your happiness or pain. 7. Generally funny and comedic people are more depressed than others. 8. 1 minute of anger weakens the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. 9. 1 minute of laughter boosts the immune system for 24 hours. 10. The smell of orange relieves stress. Smelling an orange or eating one can reduce stress by over 70%.